Hi everyone, it's Frida here and I welcome you all to my YouTube channel. Yes fam, in today's video we are going to be making our protective mask, okay? It's not a medical mask, it is a protective mask, okay? You can actually do this by yourself. So stay tuned and I'm going to be saying a shout out to Pastor Uwa that actually requested for this video, okay? She said I should do a video, showing people how to achieve their own protective mask, okay? So stay tuned, don't go away, and let's get started. Haha. So it's very simple. You can see I'm sitting on the floor right now, okay? Don't tell me you don't have a table to cut, okay? And don't tell me you don't have a scissors at home, all right? Sit on the floor, grab your materials, and let's get started. All right? I'll see you guys in my next video. So here we have the fabric, okay? I have this fabric at home. So I'm going to be using from this fabric, all right? So this is a cover of a can, okay? Just use any round object, okay? So let me take the measurements for you to know, okay? More or less what you are going to be targeting if you have a tape, but if you don't have, just use any round object, okay? Now if you measure it, it's 5 inches, okay? All right, it's 5 inches. Exactly 5 inches is what it's going to give you if you have a tape. But if you don't have, just look for any round object that you think is going to like cover you up, okay? Your mouth, your nose at the same time, all right? So from this fabric right now, we are going to be taking a very little. Don't tell me you don't have any cloth at home that you can use, okay? What we are going to be making right now is washable, okay? It's very, very easy to make. And I am using a double piece right now, okay? I'm going to be taking a double of it, okay? I hope you can see. Okay, so all right, like so, okay? Don't tell me you don't have a table. You can see right now I'm sitting down on the floor, okay? Just to simplify everything, all right? So place it on top of your fabric and get a pen and take your measurements. All right, take your measurements like this. I believe you can see it. Yeah, okay. Now look at it. You already have it marked out, all right? So what we are going to be doing right now, because I am going to be making it a kind of thick mask, okay? That is the reason why we are going to be using 4 pieces, okay? If you don't have enough fabric, you can use 2 pieces. It's okay, all right? So now I'm going to be placing another one here. Let me move the camera a little bit. Yeah, I'm placing another one here, okay? Then getting my pen again, all right, to take the measurements round and round and round. You can see, very easy. I hope you can see it. Okay, yeah. So we get our scissors. We are going to target the round shape, okay? Get your scissors and cut. And now our round pattern is ready for the mask, okay? So right here we have 4 pieces, okay? We have 4 pieces right now. So we are going to be sewing these 4 pieces, okay, like this, sewing it all round, okay, then we'll turn it over. All right, so just I'm going to be sewing both like this, leaving the part that you marked on out. Okay, now you grab your needle, thread your needle and grab it, and let's start sewing. Okay, make sure that your needle is piercing through the 4 pieces. Okay, yes fam, so this is how you're going to sew everything all around, okay, until you now get to like maybe 2 inches, okay, to the finishing of the stitch. That is when you will not stop and flip it over. All right, so let's keep sewing. So you can see it's about 2 inches right now, okay, that is left. So I'm going to be flipping it over. All right, so just watch. Flip it over. Tuck it in a little like so. Then you will now sew just the same way you've been doing right from the inside. All right, just sew it neatly but with a very tiny stitch. Okay, this time around make it as tiny as possible. Okay, so make sure as you are sewing you are tucking it in. All right, keep sewing, keep tucking it in, and this time around make sure you are locking it. All right, when you drag the needle out, make sure you take it through a kind of loop. So now we have it all neatly sewn all around. You can see this is our needle. All right, you have it all neatly sewn all around. Okay, so what we are going to be doing right now, we are going to be attaching the elastic. All shops are on lockdown. This is the kind of elastic I have right now. It is quite wide. I don't have the tiny one, so I'm going to be parting it into 2, okay, to have, or into 3, yeah, to have this tiny strap. If I part it, so right now our elastic is here and our mask is here. So we are going to be attaching, this elastic, okay, on one side with a needle and the thread. Then we attach it on the other side too, okay, just like this. All right, so hold on, let's do that together. Get your needle and let's sew. Our mask is ready, the elastic is done. So go to the other side, same place, and fasten your elastic. All right, Elastic, I will advise you take your proper measurement, okay? I, for one, I would prefer to use 6 inches, all right? So you take your proper measurement. If you see that it's too tight for you, all right? Because when it is too tight, you are going to be inconvenienced. Our mask is ready, ha ha. Our mask is ready, ha ha. Ha ha. All right, see you guys in my next video.